Yo, what's up guys? This is Corstopes with the Call of Duty Black Ops 2 video. We are playing some team deathmatch and we are sniping. The line of sight here. Got one. Okay, so yeah, we're playing some team deathmatch instead using the DSL. Trick shot. Oh, okay, died.
Going hot.
Trying to do our settings. Actually, hit marker. Wow. Okay, so yeah, we're playing some team deathmatch. Keep on saying that, but nothing else to say. Well, so I have a plan named Core. As you can see, Core scopes. We're sniping one. We're recruiting some players. Anybody want it?
EKIA.
Got knifed. My God. So we are losing. And yeah, we're recruiting some players if they would want to join. Whatever. So yeah, you guys, I'm playing on PlayStation 3. So if you guys want to join this plan, add me. And I'll see how you do. And then we'll go on from there. See if we can get a kill here. Nice kill.
Sniper down.
You get taken up from behind. Where is it? Oh, he's in there. What? That should have hit. Anyways, I can still go on. Him got taken down. Couldn't get that one. But, whatever. Just add me. Oh, he wasn't there. I died. We still have a chance to win this. Still have a chance. So I have a chance to win this. So I am clan leader, and yeah, Core Scopes. Thought I was gonna get a collateral there. Okay, 6 more kills till we get tied. first. Black Ops 2 clan. And if you guys want to join, add me. Core underscore scopes underscore. Yeah. So, thanks guys. See you guys later. Bye.